Hi besties, let me show you guys how you can produce your own handmade locks braids with your extension and your afro hair. First thing you have to do is to rope. You can use Brazilian wool to form a rope. Then get your extension, place it on the Brazilian wool, and they are going to be twisting both sides. Make sure you give a space that will enter your thumb, because this is where, when I'm installing it to your hair, that's where your crochet pin is going to pass through. So after knotting it like that, you're going to divide the extension into three, and then you're going to start to braid it. If you have any specific color of locks that you want, this is how you can easily produce your own handmade quality locks braid at home just by yourself. So when you are done braiding the extension like that, the next thing you're going to get your afro hair. It can be any color, it can be any quality. Then go ahead and start roping it just after the place you knot, and then you're going to be roping it round. When you rope it round, you are going to make a knot with your thumb. You rope a little bit, you make a knot with your thumb, just like that. You rope a little bit, then you make a knot with your thumb. Then when you exhaust that one, depending on the length, some, if you're using a longer version of afro hair, then maybe one will be enough for you. But if yours is the shorter size, you need to add at least 2 to 3 times. And again, the length of the locks depends on you. If you want a smaller size, a smaller length, or you want it to be very long, it all depends on you. You are going to continue roping and adding your knots several places or just few places depending on what you want. Then this is what you are going to be doing till you get to the length you want, and then this is how you secure the end so that it doesn't loose. This type of handmade locks lasts, like it lasts very long. So this is how you can easily produce your own lock braid, any color, any design, and then you can store it. You can also make money from it. Produce it, package it, and then sell. Remember, you are going to be doing 30 pieces for pack if you are selling it. And the next thing you have to do after this process, you're going to be applying hot water to it. Soak it in hot water, add your hair moss, apply your sheen, and then go ahead and dry it, package and sell, or just use it to braid, do your own hair, do your own locks hair. Guys, if you found any value from this video, do not forget to like and please subscribe.